see what this baby's got. Right, so race. Traction control off, manual, exhaust, everything going. Let's see what this baby's got. So what we're going to do is, let's just take it easy on the outlap, get a little bit of an idea of what I think I can get away with. Let's go down on the traction control. Right, so we are at the Nurburgring. I have stolen Oliver Morley's GT R Pro. So let's just go and do a lap and see what this thing's all about. Bloody hell, it feels pretty damn quick. And in the end, actually, it slowed down a hell of a lot faster than I anticipated. Rotates very nice. Turn 2, soft camber, so it's quite a tricky corner. Whee. There we go. Rotate it nicely on the power. Down to turn 3. Let's wait. Kiss the bottom of the curb. A little bit of power. In third gear now, full power again, maximise the track limits. Oliver's only given us reserve fuel, so he's either done it on purpose or he didn't realise he'd almost run it out, so I suppose that stops me doing too many laps. Downhill, let's get this thing to rotate. Go down and click on the old TC. Fourth gear, this thing's got so much grunt. Oh, come on, let's get it turned in. On the back straight, should be able to do this little king flat out. There we go. No one's behind us. I thought someone was, but it's the rear wing. There we go. Let's keep it flat. See how late we can brake for here. I think I'm going to end up braking around 125 meters. Oh, that was too early. Oh, I could have used more curb. Just don't tell Oliver. There we go. Final corner, down a gear. Maximise the power and the track. Fifth gear, 120 mile an hour, 130, sixth gear, 140, 150, hard on the brakes. Go on, stop. There we go, into turn 1. Maybe TC just a little bit too much. This thing's great for playing with. Anyway, that's one lap. Let's give it a little cool down, because otherwise I don't think I'm going to make it back on the fuel that I've got. That is definitely reading 0 on the old gauge there. I don't know whether you guys can see that or not, so let's cool down the brakes, bring it in, and let's go home. We've got a nice 4-hour drive from the Nurburgring to the tunnel, so we'll fill up now and then we should be able to get all the way back to the UK without having to stop again, and then we're home. Averaging 6.4 mpg. Well, that's over the last 2 hours, so I'm sure there's been a little bit of cruising as well. Where can I park it?
What do you think?
Yeah, it's fun to play with. So I can feel that little bit of understeer that you mentioned, but that's just the road tyre. You won't get rid of that unless you put a slick tyre on it.
Yeah, sure.
But then, like, once it starts to rotate, almost got to be a little patient with it. You can't overload the front tyre. Once it rotates, then you can play with it. So nice.
Yeah, so nice.
Like, I think I ended up fully off on the TC.
Did you?
Yeah.
Which is off? Which one is off?
Like, you just keep on turning it.
Yeah, but lights off or lights
No,
on?
no, no. So it goes more red. So it's
red
anti-clockwise,
More,
anti-clockwise.
so more red is off.
Yes.
More red equals more danger, as it were.
Yes. Yeah. That was great though. Lots of fun.
Yeah.